Here's the hard truth. Most people will never escape the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. Why? Because they rely solely on active income, trading. Time for money. But what if you could stop working harder and start earning smarter? Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your money worked for you overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Stick around. Because I'm breaking down the real ways to build passive income streams that actually work for people like you, young, ambitious, and ready to take control of your financial future. Building passive income isn't just about making money. It's about buying back your time, achieving freedom, and building wealth that compounds while you live your life. In today's video, we're diving into strategies like dividend investing, real estate, and online businesses. Whether you're just starting out or already saving a bit, these tips are designed for young adults looking to create a life of financial independence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start building passive income streams step by step, and you'll see how these strategies can lead you toward a wealthy lifestyle. So are you ready to level up your finances? Point 1. Dividend investing. Let your money work for you. First up, dividend investing. Imagine owning shares of a company that pays you just for holding onto their stock. That's what dividends are. Regular payouts to shareholders. It's like getting a bonus just for believing in a company's success. Actionable steps. Number 1, start by opening a brokerage account. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab make it easy for beginners. Number 2, look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Think Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson. Number 3, reinvest your dividends. Use a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, to compound your returns over time. Here's the math. If you invest $1,000 in a stock with a 4% annual dividend yield, you'll earn $40 a year. Now imagine scaling that to $10,000 or more. That's income flowing in without lifting a finger. Point 2, real estate earn. While you sleep, real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build passive income. But I'm not talking about becoming a full-time landlord. Let's focus on strategies tailored for beginners. Actionable strategies. Number 1, start small with real estate. Investment trusts, REITs. These are like stocks for real estate, allowing you to invest in properties without the headache of ownership. Number 2, for those ready to dive deeper, house hacking is a game changer. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other to cover your mortgage. Number 3, platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock let you invest in real estate online with as little as $500. The beauty of real estate is that it combines cash flow and appreciation. Your property grows in value while you collect rent. Point 3, online businesses. Monetize your passion. Next, let's talk online businesses. This is where creativity meets cash flow. Whether it's a YouTube channel, an Etsy shop, or affiliate marketing, online income streams can start small but scale massively. Actionable tips. Number 1, pick a niche. What are you passionate or knowledgeable about? Finance, fitness, gaming, you name it. Number 2, start with low-cost tools. Platforms like Shopify, Teachable, or WordPress make it easy to set up shop. Number 3, monetize strategically. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and product sales can all create income streams that snowball over time. Here's a quick example. Let's say you sell a $20 product and make just 10 sales a week. That's $800 a month in passive income. Multiply that by scaling your audience, and the potential is limitless. Point 4, advanced strategies. Automating passive income. Want to go even further? Automation is your best friend. Whether it's through robo-advisors for investing, creating evergreen content, or outsourcing tasks for your online business, the goal is to make these systems run with minimal involvement. Pro tips: 1, automate your savings and investments using apps like Acorns or Wealthfront. 2, batch create content or products that continue to sell long after you've made them. 3, use software like Zapier to link and automate processes between apps and services. The key here is scalability. Build systems that grow without you having to be involved daily. So there you have it: dividend investing, real estate, online businesses, and automation. These are real, actionable strategies to build passive income streams that work for anyone willing to start small and stay consistent. Here's the truth. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, today. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action now. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more expert tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Let's make your money work as hard as you do. Until next time, keep moving smart.